honey pecan chicken breasts. That's what's for dinner. So what goes into the honey pecan chicken breasts? 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 cup crushed cornflakes cereal, 1/4 cup finely chopped pecans, 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I do know how to count, that was more than 4. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. And I think these salt and pepper shakers, they look really, really nice for the videos, but they have this little seal. If this does not seal it correctly, when you tip it upside down to shake out the pepper, the lid comes off. So 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. These are not as pretty, but they're a lot more functionable. I bought these at Amazon and I'll leave the link down below. You definitely only want a little bit of salt and pepper and not the whole shaker on your food. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 375. You need a baking sheet. Put some aluminum foil on top of that and then spray the aluminum foil with cooking spray and set it aside. You want to take a shallow dish and pour in the 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and the 2 tablespoons of honey. And whisk it together. Take another shallow dish. Dump in your 1 cup of cornflakes and your 1 cup of finely chopped pecans. I do have a few bigger pieces in there, but I think it'll be okay. And mix them together. Take your 4 chicken breasts and sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Rub it in, flip it over. Sprinkle the other side. So we have our 2 shallow dishes, the soy sauce and honey, the cornflakes and pecans, and then our baking sheet with this prepared sprayed aluminum foil. Next we'll take our chicken breast, put it in the soy sauce and honey mix, and then put it in the cornflakes and pecans and make sure it is all coated. And then put it on the baking sheet. And we'll do that with all 4 chicken breasts. So here is the last chicken breast. We'll put it in the soy sauce and the honey mix, and then put it in the cornflakes and the pecans. And we'll cover it all up. Flip it over and cover it all up. and then put it on the baking sheet. Then we'll put it in a 375 degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until no longer pink inside and golden brown on the outside. These are thicker, so I'm guessing about 40 to 45 minutes, but I'll check at 25. So the chicken was baked for 40 minutes. This is the honey pecan chicken breast. And rounding out the meal is Southern style mixed greens, which is supposed to be green beans, but I grabbed the wrong can. So I'll go ahead and get my husband to do a taste test.
That's really good. What is this stuff on here?
Cornflakes and pecans.
Cornflakes and pecans, huh? I like that a lot.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.